Hello! In this video I will show you how to install a RAR application on TCL 501. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in RAR and click search, and now you can click install. Now you can click open, and now you can allow this app to manage your files, and then you can click back, and here you can decide if you want to see notifications from this app or not, and then click dismiss. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.